Good morning, Anthony Mitchell out here. Just dropped off a roadie delivery Home Depot up in Punta Gorda. But I stopped at the racetrack and got some gas. And this is what got me thinking. The lady forgot her name badge. Alright, my girlfriend just called me right before I stopped to get coffee, and she forgot her access card to get into work, so she had to call her manager. I'm like, alright, if you keep finding yourself misplacing the items you've been entrusted with by your employer, it's one of two things. Either you're just very forgetful, or you're not cut out to be an employee. You need to strive for more. You need something that's going to motivate you to actually pay attention to what you're doing. Create a home-based networking business. You are responsible for your success, and you are responsible for your failure. If you succeed, it's up to you. If you fail, it's because of you. Like, all the person like me, if I sponsor you, my job is to teach you how to do what I'm doing, which is basically helping other people start enjoying life and sharing something they're personally benefiting from. That's it. If you can't enjoy life and share something that you're personally benefiting from, you're not going to make it as a home-based networker. I don't know. Like I said, if you're not cut out for employee life, you might be forgetting stuff. You might be slacking on your job. You might be misplacing items. Like, I don't know. But it could be a sign that you need more. You need more responsibility. You need more motivation. Because like I said, most people, they go to work, they take their jobs that they're not even happy with. They're not the jobs they wanted, but they're the jobs they settle for because they're easy. You clock in, you get paid, like, no offense, security guards. They sit at a security desk and they check people in and out all day. Simple, easy. I think they get like 15, 16 bucks an hour. So like, it's easy money. But they got no time freedom, and they're stuck in a little security shack all day. Like, seriously, you want that life? Go out there and strive for more. That's like, somebody, I'm pretty sure she's an OnlyFans person, hit me up on Facebook on one of my posts and commented, and I chatted back with her. And she's a social media creator, and it's easy money. She works from home, she doesn't go anywhere, she has kids. I'm like, yeah, I agree. But easy money is residual passive income. That's money that comes in whether you're working or not. If you're a content creator, you're still spending your time making the content. And I'm pretty sure if you're doing the content I think you're doing, you're disrespecting yourself and you're giving yourself a horrible reputation that's going to harm your kids as they get older. But she's still young, so I'm like, awesome. Hey, if you're okay with ruining your reputation and scarring your kids when their friends find out that's what your mom does, go for it. But if you actually want more out of life, you want to add value, plus create residual passive income that comes in whether you're working or not, start building a home-based networking business. Like I said, you got two options. You can get paid weekly plus monthly commission with the financial protection plan from me if you're in the United States of America. Or if you're just looking for some extra money monthly, hell, become a member of the Online Wellness Shopping Club. Shop for over 400 exclusive health quality products so you can create a safer and healthier household for you and your family. Then share with other people a way they can shop for superior quality products themselves and have them shipped straight to their front door. And you earn. It only pays monthly, but it comes in whether you work or not. It's extra income. It's a no-brainer. All you're doing is switching shopping clubs to choose healthier quality. Because the stuff you're getting out of the grocery store basically made of water, and it's not that healthy for you. Have you looked at the ingredients? Try it. But hey, what do I know? I'm just that guy that makes videos, makes deliveries for Grubhub and Roadie, and drives some cars around. And I haven't had a typical 9 to 5 since I left the Army after 8 years, after they kicked me out. So like I said, you don't need to be an employee to succeed in life. You need, yes, I agree, you need an income source. While you're building your foundation for your home-based networking business, you need another income source, because it's going to take you time to lay a foundation to get anything substantial. It's like, I probably got $20,000, $30,000 invested in cash flow producing assets, but still, it's not enough to cover my expenses. So all the money I make doing my deliveries pays my bills, plus goes into my cash flow producing assets. And then all my money for my networking businesses, that's just my guilt-free spending money. I just do what I want with that. So prioritize your life, y'all. Create residual passive income. Strive for more. Do something great with your life. Let me know in the comments how you're striving for more, how you're creating your ideal life, and where the hell your passive residual income has come from, or you just simply relying on linear income, going to work, getting paid once. Be smart. Let me know in the comments how I can add some value to your life. Y'all be great. I gotta go work out.